heterosexual white couple living in the Pacific Northwest. Are you tired of paying rent? Are you tired of waiting in traffic? Are you sick and tired of your landlord painting over everything instead of just fixing it? Then this ambulance is for you!
I'm Timber at Dixie Normus RV and Storage, where I'm the sole proprietor and we only have one thing for sale. This is my pride and joy, a 2008 Ford E450 with a measly 109,000 miles. Wow, that's below market average. This diesel engine has been optimized to achieve maximum mileage. It's empty right now, but even with thousands of pounds more gear, you can expect highway mileage up to 19 miles per hour and unbelievable mileage in the city because everybody will be yielding to you. Wow! Not only that, but you'll never have to worry about running out of power. With 1, 2, 3, 4 250-watt panels, you can expect to produce over 1,000 watts of power per hour. Wow, that's a lot of power! With 100 working amp hours through 2 deep cycle batteries, you can work up to 6 days off the grid without any power, which has been known to happen in the PN dub. Even on a totally overcast day, you can recharge your system 2 or 3 times over with the power of the panels.
The power of the panels. The power of the panels. The power of the panels.
The industrial grade MPPT ensures you against over and under voltage protection, if you know what I mean. And with a 1,000-watt inverter, you can be goddamn sure that there aren't any bottlenecks in your system. Act now. There are many people interested. Many people doing it. Act now. Not only that, but should you find that your buddy Trent jumped off the balcony again and shattered all your panels, fear not. You can still recharge your batteries with the DC to DC charger. Whether you're driving or idling, it'll recharge the house batteries. No problem. But don't idle. Don't be a... This isn't Seattle. With over 8 inches of clearance, just like your mom. Show them that you're the boss of the road. Expand your ego. You don't feel pain. Yeah! I'm so high, these prices must be so low!
And excellently, 2 excellent tires in the rear on each side of the vehicle. Tja, ever heard of a dually, Ken?
There's so much room under here. You could sell this for $3,000 a month to a millennial in New York City. Wow! And speaking of wear and tear, you can expect that minimally. Before I had this vehicle, it was the response vehicle for a Daytona racing. And after that, it was owned by a scientist engineer who ran a science program. That's why it says got science and science engineers on the side. It was a science-like program that led magician-like programs at school. And all that to say that it's been rigorously maintained by them and by me. Deals, 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 all day long for you at Dixie Normus RV and Storage. The rumors are true. With over 56 cubic feet of storage space, this has room to store all of your adventure equipment for you and your friends. Also featuring conveniently located gear racks for all that climbing equipment you've been spending your paychecks on. Come over here. Just kidding. Look at this, propane. Freshwater, gray water, extra storage underneath, and it all goes up to the kitchen, which we'll see later. Plus, these two feed into each other, so you always have a little bit more fresh water than gray. Trust me, I've been there. Come on over here. You remember the batteries we saw earlier? Check it out, they're still here. But that may not be the case if you leave it over in Seattle unattended. Look at that, look at those batteries. And a trash can, and... Deals! 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 However, this vehicle has been used to travel, and some cosmetic wear and tear reflects that, such as this large scratch that I acquired after I got a little too close to Sasquatch out in the hills. You could see...
Hey, I wouldn't talk about Sasquatch that way. How do you think I lost my leg? That dude attacked me when I was out hiking. Now, go ahead and keep talking about the storage and the thing, man.
Jerry, I'm sorry. Humor is how I cope with things. You know that. I don't know how many times I have to tell you. If you're just gonna stand there and keep drinking beer and throw cans at me.
Don't be bullshitting me, man. Just talk about the storage.
All right, let's go. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Welcome to the inside of the ambulance. We've got storage. We've got locking storage. And what's this? More storage. Are you ready for the tour? What do we got in here? We got storage, we got fake plants, we got shoe storage over here. Wow, look at that. I can put all my hands and feet in here. We got butcher block countertops. We got bookshelves. We got fake plants. We got a very, very special shelf over here. Come take a look at this. This is the shroom shelf. Yep, you read that right. Don't look at that, don't look at that other RV out there. This is the only RV for sale. Check this out. This is an $800 custom mattress. That's right, 800 Benjamins. I didn't realize we're still doing the tour. What if you had a friend over and you're just friends, but they want to spend the night and you want to sleep in the same bed? Well, check it out. It's a bed. You can pull this sucker down and make a double bed. And another friend can sleep underneath. Look at all this storage. My mic cut out. Oh yeah, you can fit so many bodies in here. Listen to those acoustics. And we got even more storage down here. Look at this. Oh yeah, and the wheel well, there's more storage in here for wine, primarily. Wine bottles. Check this out too. Oh, back in, it's a couch again. Oh, take it out. Look at this, we got a fridge, we got a free twist tie. This place comes with a free twist tie. Open this up. Oh my God, look, there's a light in there. Oh my God, I can see my food. A freezer, a fridge, cup holders. And check this out. I can sit on it too. Isn't that amazing? Now watch this. Pay very close attention here. Pull it out a little further. Pull this sucker out. All of a sudden I got a desk for working from home. Not only that, there are several other surfaces you can work from home in here with. It's really quite innovative and amazing. Whoever designed this space should get an architecture award.
You know, my favorite thing about this place, aside from all the plethora of USB outlets, is how it's got the rustic charm of an ambulance without all the gross medical undertones. You know what I mean?
Wow, that's a lot of power! That's enough to power 55 cell phones, 55 laptops, 100 gaming computers, 1 iMac, 1,200 12-volt LED soft white bulbs in the ceiling, 45 radios, 1 intake radio, 12 to 17 record players, 1 large drive-through movie theater, maybe two large movie theater screens,
car toys, a couple Radio Shack things, 100 of those hair trimmers. You like septum piercings? Well, we've got a bunch of them in here. Isn't that great? Look at all this storage. Backlit, more outlets, adjustable shelving, pantry space. Once again with adjustable shelving. Oh yeah, check it out. There's outlets in there too. There's enough space for everything. You got dogs, we got space for that. You got kids, we got space for that. You got weed, we got space for that. Check this out. What's this? A wood stove. Maybe the world's cutest wood stove? All this extra wood comes with it too. Comes with a fan, comes with pans, comes with cups. Not the flowers or the yellow blanket though. Those are mine! And while you're checking out this ambulance, if anybody named Derek tries to reach out to you and tell you about the coat rack ghost, don't listen to them! This place has been professionally de-ghosted. There are no ghosts in this ambulance. And while we're here, let's talk about the kitchen. Look at this giant countertop here. We've got so much to offer. We've got a thick sink drawer, we've got a whole drawer here, and we've got, oh, is that a drawer? Is it a cutting board?
It's both, baby.
Get back in there and shut that up. We've got a hand pump sink here. Hand pump sink, yeah. And that pumps fresh water, which you saw from the tank below earlier, drains into the gray water. And behind that, we've got a trash chute. That's where I stuck my head in earlier. If you're anything like me, you like hiding the things that stress you out in the deepest, darkest corners. That's why we built the Danger Room. Inside, you'll find the MPPT, the charge controller, and about 1,000 fuses and switches to control everything. Don't worry, if you have any questions, I can help you right out. If you're new to tiny house living, it's usually pretty weird. And one cool thing about this ambulance is that it includes a sliding glass door, allowing you to effectively double the amount of rooms in your home. Come on back here and join me, and we'll check out the front. And welcome to Cash Cab. I bet you thought this was a regular cab, but actually, it's Cash Cab, as in, you give me cash, and this cab can be yours. We've got all sorts of stuff up here. You know, not many van lifers can say that they've got 2 rooms, but you can with just one purchase of this ambulance. Come on, check it out over here. You've got lots of switches and lights to play with for when you're stuck in traffic, and then miraculously you're not stuck in traffic anymore. And you've got a front and back dash cam. So you can use this as a backup camera when you're going in reverse, and you can use it to record things even when you're stuck in the parking lot to make sure nobody comes in and steals your things in the ambulance. And it's a backup camera, not like a backup to a camera, but like a backup camera. And it even has an intercom. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go take a nappy poo. Matter of fact, right after we bought this ambulance, we took it into the shop for a few weeks to have a complete mechanical overhaul and a full tune-up, so you don't ever have to worry about breaking dawn. I mean, breaking down. This is a real commercial. I'm actually trying to sell this. Act now and it could be yours.
And yes, they still work.